Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So now I am going to tell you about movement generating function of binomial distribution regarding semester 2 Kakatiya University. It is the syllabus of semester 2. Okay, so movement generating function of binomial distribution. So movement generating function is denoted by mx of t. Okay, mx of t. Its formula is expectation of e power tx. So it can be written in the form of summation x equals to 0 to n. Why? Because binomial distribution limits are from 0 to n e power tx into p of x. Since expectation of x can be written as summation x into p of x. So in this form it is written. So p of x in the sense binomial distribution formula we have to write. So summation x equals to 0 to n e power tx into p of x in the sense ncx p power x into q power n minus x. Okay. And the next is you have to write the terms which is having in powers x at one place. Okay. So summation x equals to 0 to n ncx. Here you are having p power x into e power tx. So we can write this as p into e power t whole power x into q power n minus x. Okay. And the next we have to remove this summation and we have to substitute x values. So nc0 p into e power t whole power 0 into q into n minus 0 plus nc1 p into e power t whole power 1 into q power n minus 1 plus nc2 p into e power t whole power 2 into q power n minus 2 plus and so on plus ncn, but because your limits are till n, ncn p into e power t whole power n q power n minus n. Okay. So like this we have written. Okay. So we have substituted x limits. Okay. So this is in the form of x plus y to the power of n. So this formula is this expansion in binomial expansion nc0 x power 0 into y power n plus nc1 into x power 1 into y power n minus 1 plus nc2 into x power 2 y power n minus 2 plus and so on plus ncn x power n into y power n minus n. So if you compare these two terms, this expansion and this expansion, if you compare, so we can write this whole term in the form of x plus y to the power of n, but x is p into e power t whole power 0, y is q power, y is q. Okay. So this is x, this is y. Okay. So this whole term we are writing in this form. So therefore mx of t equals to, here what we can write, p into e power t plus q whole power n. Okay. So we can also write this one as q plus p into e power t whole power n. Okay. So this is the formula for mx of t in binomial distribution. Okay. So now we have to calculate the mean and variance. Okay. So mean of binomial distribution using movement generating function. Using movement generating function, we are going to calculate what? Mean. So mean is denoted by mu1 dash, that equals to, we have to differentiate this term, okay na? So this formula is d by dt of mx of t with respect to t equals to 0. So like this we have to find out mean using moment generating function in binomial distribution. Okay, so this is a formula. So that equals to d by dt of mx of t, in the sense we have to write this formula, q plus p into e power t whole power n, where t equals to 0 with respect. Okay, so now we have to do differentiate with respect to t. Okay, so this is in the form of x power n. So x power n formula is nothing, derivation is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. So like that only we are differentiating with respect to t. Okay, so n into q plus p into e power t whole power n minus 1. Again, if you differentiate this one, here t term is not there, so we'll get 0. Here e power t is there. E power t quotient is what? P into e power t. Okay, again for e power t only, no? So for t 1 it becomes with respect to t equals to 0. Okay, so now we have to substitute 0 in place of t. So n into q plus p into e power 0 whole power n minus 1 into p into e power 0. Okay, so here n into q plus p into e power 0 is nothing but 1 whole power n minus 1 into p into e power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, so here p plus q is nothing but 1. Okay, since p plus q equals to 1, we know that one. So n into 1 power n minus 1 into p. P into 1 is nothing but p. So mu1 dash is nothing but np. Okay, so we got. Now we have to calculate what? Variance. Okay, so variance formula is variance. Variance is denoted by mu2. So its formula is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So first we have to calculate mu2 dash. Just now we calculated mu1 dash. Okay, for getting variance we have to calculate mu2 dash. Okay, so mu2 dash equals to, now we have to do double times the differentiation, d square by dt square mx of t, where t equals to 0. Okay, so this can be written as g by dt of, again d by dt of mx of t, where t equals to 0. Okay, so d by dt of, again d by dt of mx of t is nothing but q plus p into e power t whole power n with respect to t equals to 0. This one we already did here. Okay, so this one we can write. Okay, this one we can write here. Here we can write. Okay, or else we can do differentiation. So d by dt of, here np into q plus p e power t whole power n minus 1 into e power t with respect to t equals to 0. So np is not having t term, so we are writing outside. So np into d by dt of q plus p into e power t whole power n minus 1 into e power t, where t equals to 0. Okay, so now what we have to do is, this is in the form of uv. Okay, so uv we have to do. So uv differentiation, so uv equals to u dash v plus uv dash. Okay, so this format we are going to do the differentiation. So first we are going to do u dash. So it is in the form of x power n. So n minus 1 into q plus p into e power t whole power n minus 2. Again with respect to t, no, so you will get p into e power t. Okay, u dash completed. We have to write e power t plus again u u in the sense simply we have to write q plus p into e power t whole power n minus 1 into b dash. For e power t, e power t only. Okay, where t equals to 0. So now we have to substitute t equals to 0 for this term. So np into n minus 1 into q plus p into e power t whole power e power t in the sense 0, no? N minus 2 p into e power 0 again e power 0 plus q plus p into e power 0 whole power n minus 1 into e power 0. Okay, so np into n minus 1 into e power 0 means 1. Q plus p means 1. So this whole term will get 1 power n minus 2 into p. E power 0 is 1. Again e power 0 is 1. Okay. So plus q plus p. E power 0 is 1. Q plus p is 1. 1 power n minus 1. E power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay. So np into n minus 1 into p plus 1. 1 power n minus 1 is nothing but 1. Okay. So here np into n into p is np minus p plus 1. Okay. Now we'll multiple this term. N square p square minus np square plus np. Okay. So this is mu2 dash. Okay. So now we have to substitute in this. Mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So mu2 dash in the sense what? N square p square minus np square plus np minus mu1 dash in the sense np. Okay, np here whole square is there. So that equals to n square p square minus np square plus np minus n square p square. So that equals to n square p square minus n square p square get cancelled. So minus np square plus np. Okay, so in these both terms, what we can take common? Np. So np common, if we take here 1 minus, here what will be remaining? P. So 1 minus p is nothing but q. So npq. Okay, 1 minus p is nothing but q. Why? Because p plus q equals to 1. That means q equals to 1 minus p, no? So that's why 1 minus p, in place of 1 minus p we have written q. So therefore mu2 equals to npq. So this is the variance. Okay. So this is about binomial distribution, moment generating function, its mean and variance. Okay, thank you for watching my video. So if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and if you like my video, don't forget to give one like. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.